welcome to the Star City Storytime, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. I'm Miss Sharon, and I'm going to read Muddypaws. This is by Moira Butterfield, and it's from Paragon Publishing. Okay. It was a special day for Ben. He had a new puppy. "I'll teach you all the things I know," said Ben. "But first I need to choose a name for you. I'll need to think hard about it. It has to be just perfect." "I don't really mind what name you choose as long as you give me lots of cuddles," thought the new puppy. Ben looked around his bedroom to see if he could find an idea for the perfect puppy name. "I'll look in my storybook," he said, but none of those names in the book were right for his new puppy. "I think I'll leave you to hunt for names," thought the new puppy. "I'd rather look behind that flower pot." The little puppy crept over, he sniffed, and then he climbed in. He didn't mean to knock the flower pot over, but oops, that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. "Let's go to the park. I might be able to think of a good name there," said Ben. "I'd rather look behind that tree," thought the little puppy. So he ran and he ran. He didn't mean to jump in the mud, but squelch, that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. Ben's neighbors were having a party in their garden. "One of the guests might be able to think of a good name for you," said Ben. "Let's go and ask them." "I'd rather look in the pond," thought the new puppy. So he leaned over, and he leaned over a little bit more. He didn't mean to fall in the pond, but splosh, that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. "We better go home and clean you up," said Ben. "I'd rather go digging in the garden," thought the new puppy. So he dug, and he dug, and he dug. This time he found lots of things. A lost ring, an old spanner, which is a wrench, and a toy car that Ben had lost. He didn't mean to bring all that mud indoors, but pitter-patter, that's just what he did. He made muddy paw prints everywhere. And he didn't mean to find a name for himself at last, but guess what? That's just what he did. You are the muckiest, muddiest, funniest puppy there ever was. There's only one name for you, laughed Ben. Muddypaws. And there's all his paw prints. Oh, that's a cute one. Okay, if you picked up a packet at the library, you'll find, first of all, this in it, and it tells you a little bit about the story time and what time it's on Facebook. And then you will find a white sheet of paper, a red doghouse, and a little dog. And you can make any kind of picture you like with yours. I put a tree, some birds, a sun, some grass in mine. And if you make a special one that you'd like to share, we'd love to see a picture of it at the library. Okay, another thing you'll find is a piece of yellow paper, and you will find a Scottie Dog and a doghouse. You can color these, cut them out, glue them on the paper, make any kind of picture of that you would like. Okay, and the last thing you will find is a puppy dot to dot. So I hope you enjoy those activities, and I will see you the next time. Keep reading. Bye-bye.